We must have heard our parents telling us very frequently, to have a healthy diet. Well, one of the main reason is, our bones are like bank. So if you have deposited enough calcium during your first 35 years of age, probably there will be enough calcium, to maintain you for the long time. But in case you have not maintained that healthier diet, then definitely you should start taking calcium from the age of 35 onwards, because the bones starts getting weaker from the age of 35 generally. Secondly, if you are a woman, you will definitely have menopause, and as soon as you have menopause, the estrogen from the bones, from the body disappears. Estrogen is the main hormone needed to maintain bone formation. So which means any menopausal woman should take calcium supplements very regularly. Males should avoid taking calcium, because males are fortunate to have testosterone which remain for the lifetime. So males should not be taking calcium before the age of 65. Females should start taking calcium definitely after menopause. Few of them may start after the age of 35.